So I've been testing Sell the Trend for some time right now, and I gotta say I'm pretty interested in the platform, and I wanted to create a video, is Sell the Trend actually legit, and what you can expect from this platform. Now, this platform is indeed legit. When I say legit, I mean they're really creating something special with this platform. You have product research tools, you have spy tools, you have marketplaces, and overall, it's a great dropshipping management platform. Now, it's not a typical dropshipping management platform where you're pretty much, you can manage products and stuff like that. You can obviously find winning products. You can import winning products. You can spy on specific ads and competitors, which is really cool. You have store intelligence report as well. So for your store, you're getting store intelligence and what you can improve on your store. You have niche spy, for example, right here, and you can spy on specific niches that are hot currently in February 2026, which is when I'm recording this video. So a lot of people again are asking, is Sell the Trend legit? Yes, it's definitely legit because it's a platform catered towards dropshippers, specifically dropshippers that are always on a hunt for new products. Maybe you want, products that have high orders. You can go here and you can immediately sort every single product that is getting high orders. You can also see high profit margin. You can see new and rising. So for example, this is how you can find product winners or winners within your niche, which you can then go and resold or sell. Now, one really cool thing is when you click on product research, you get pretty much the entire analytics about the product, from the selling price, from the orders to product costs, stores selling it, competition score. Basically, it scrapes the entire web for these stores, and you don't have to think about it because Sell the Trend will pretty much do everything for you. Now, as I said, I'm testing this platform still. I really like it. I like how everything is organized. And you can see that, for example, you can go with handpicked winners. This is expert selected products. So they have experts that are working within their team. That's why they're a little bit different than other platforms. And they also have courses and tutorials on how you can use and utilize Sell the Trend to the best of its ability. I also created a lot of tutorials on Sell the Trend already, so you can check that out on the channel. But essentially, this is how you can kind of go and see your winning products. You can research products. You can research your competitors, which is most important. Ads for your competitors, ads for the winning products. So yeah, if you ask me, Sell the Trend is definitely legit. And I'm not saying that just because I'm an affiliate for Sell the Trend. I'm saying this because I've been using this product a while back before I was even an affiliate for it. So here you can kind of see how everything works and how is everything structured. Now, if you want a longer tutorial than this, I have tutorials under the playlist called Dropshipping. So check that playlist out on the channel. And yeah, check out Sell the Trend if this is something that is worth it for you. If you have any specific questions, I can answer them in the comments below. So make sure to comment and we'll see you in the next video.